right, WMC, this is the video to find our 3 mini winners for my Giannis Yelich Winner's Choice. So we'll check the time, March 25th at 11:11 a.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. And we have March 25th at 11:11 a.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Justin, Alan, Nathan. So Justin, you'll get first selection. Alan, you'll get the second selection. And then Nathan, you will get the remainder. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 25th, 11:12 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.